Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Save As dialog box not appearing in Autocad. If you click on Save As and nothing happens, or Autocad starts asking for the file name directly in the command line instead of opening the normal save window, don't worry, this is actually a very common issue, and the good news is that it can be fixed in just a few seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to restore the Save As dialog box and make Autocad behave normally again. So let's get started. First, we need to check an important Autocad system variable called FILEDIA. This setting controls whether Autocad uses normal dialog boxes or handles commands directly through the command line. If FILEDIA is turned off, many windows like Save As, Open, Import, and Export may disappear. To fix this, go to the command line at the bottom of Autocad. Type FILEDIA, then press Enter. Autocad will ask you to enter a new value. Type 1 and press Enter again. A value of 1 tells Autocad to enable dialog boxes. If the value was previously set to 0, that is exactly why the Save As window was not appearing. Now that FILEDIA is set correctly, try using Save As again. You can do this from the Application menu or by typing Save As in the command line. This time, the normal Save As dialog box should appear, allowing you to choose your file name and save location normally. Next, let's quickly confirm that everything is working correctly. Go back to the command line and type Save As, then press Enter. If Autocad still asks you to enter the file name directly into the command line instead of opening a window, that means dialog boxes are still disabled. In that case, repeat the earlier step. Type FILEDIA, press Enter, type 1, and press Enter again. Once FILEDIA is properly set to 1, Autocad should immediately start opening the Save As dialog box normally. Here are a few important notes to remember. Command names in Autocad are not case-sensitive. That means FILEDIA, FILEDIA, or FILEDIA all work the same way. Also, make sure you only type the number 1. Do not type extra characters like B1 or anything else. Another important thing is that FILEDIA affects more than just Save As. It also controls other file-related windows, such as Open, Import, Export, Attach, and several other dialog boxes. So if you noticed multiple windows missing in Autocad, fixing FILEDIA will usually restore them all at once. Now, if you notice that the setting keeps changing back to 0 automatically, it could mean that a script, template, or startup routine in your Autocad environment is modifying it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this tutorial with anyone learning Autocad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.